let me say some words about who Graybird is and what makes us unique. Expertise. I founded Graybird in 1977. Graybird has 40 years of experience in CAD and the DWG format, which has no equivalent on the market. Independence. Unlike most of our competitors, our company is not owned by investors. When any of our partners or employees are speaking to me or Robert, they know we are here to stay and they can trust our word. Together we can build on the long term. Innovation driven. As an entrepreneur, my vision has always been to reinvest our profits in R&D. Beside Corona, we keep this year hiring strongly. We create value for our customers and partners, not for the stock exchange. I think these are our core values that explain how a company like Graybird can be ahead in new CAD technologies like mobile and cloud. To illustrate, I would like to name 3 key successes we have seen this year. In Korea, our new partnership with Kadian gave us the opportunity to win key accounts such as LG, Samsung, and Hancom. In Japan, we keep growing our business with 3 of the top 5 construction groups, and the business is expanding into new markets. In March, we organized our first Graybird Japan event, and Taisei testified how our Trinity concept makes a difference for them. In India, we signed in October a partnership with the Indian Institute of Architects to release IIA CAD, with the ambition to offer a high-end and cost-effective replacement for AutoCAD for the 20,000 IIA members